Hi, first grade. Today we are going to talk about paper manipulation to make the Santa Clauses. So at your seats, you're going to get a paper plate, a piece of white paper. You have regular Elmer's glue, decorative scissors, and a pencil. I'm going to use black Sharpie so you can see mine. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to have the plate facing up. And you're going to write your name on it. First grade and your teacher's initial, and then you're going to flip it over so the curved part goes to the front. You are then going to use your piece of paper and you're going to stand it up the long way, and you're going to use decorative scissors. So when you're using decorative scissors, you're just going to chop along a thin strip so that the edge isn't flat anymore. The first cut is this thin little piece, and that's going to be scrap. Then you're going to move over about 1 inch, and you're going to cut a whole piece off. Oops. I made a little mistake there. That's okay. In fact, I can just take it off too. I'm going to then take my glue and open it. Remember, it lifts up from here, and you can see a little hole opening at the top. You're going to touch the glue to the paper. Don't hover above. That'll be too much glue. Touch the glue to the paper and make a tiny, tiny dot. See, that's very small. Then you are going to take this, flip it over, and hold it on the edge of the plate. You can count to about 10 to make sure that it's going to stick. Now, if you have too much glue, it's not going to stick, and that piece is going to slip right off. Then I'm going to cut another strip. We are starting to make the beard hairs on the edge of his chin. So touching the paper, squeezing a tiny dot, not a lot, tiny dot, and then gluing it right next to itself. You're going to want at least 8 pieces from edge to edge to take up pretty much the half bottom part of his face. We probably won't get to that today. When I say it's time to clean up, you will close your glue. You will bring me this to the drying rack. This part here, you can make a pile in the middle of the table, and any tiny scraps or pieces that you know that will not be used can be recycled. The scissors go in the middle of the table and pencils in the basket. All right, that's step 1 of our Santa mask, paper manipulation. Thank you for listening.